How to batch normalize audio in Switch. Add your audio files to Switch, then go to the Options tab. Click Effects and select Normalize, then set your preferred normalization settings. The Simple Peak Normalize preset works well for most files. Click Apply, then click Convert to normalize your files. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to batch normalize audio in Switch. Start by adding your audio files to Switch. You can drag and drop them into the program or use the Add Files button. Next, go to the Options tab, open the Effects dropdown, and select Normalize. In the Normalize settings, adjust how your audio will be processed. Start with a preset or adjust the settings manually. Set the maximum volume using peak level percent or peak level decibel. Lower decibel values give more headroom and help prevent distortion. Under Method, choose how normalization is calculated, such as Simple Peak, RMS, or Perceived Loudness. Once done, click Apply. After applying normalization, browse to your Save to folder and select it. Select an output format from the dropdown. If no files are selected, Switch will process all files automatically. To normalize specific files only, hold the Control key and select them individually. Click Convert to begin batch normalization. When the process is complete, click Open Output folder to view your normalized audio files. For more Switch tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.